this is CES just for Dreame personal care. This is our the area and our the product. You can see just this is for the hair removal and the mask. Yeah, this is our the new product for.
What has happened with this?
This is the hair removal, and for the new technology in it. This is
So, for example, it would remove my hair, or how does?
hair removal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? Very professional quality or home use, or how does it work? Anybody can use it.
Yeah, everybody can use it.
Safe.
Yeah, it's safe. We can have the FDA can be self it. And
This is another one.
is the over the hair removal generation 1. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is our my mask. LED mask can be make your face more young, more beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need this.
Yeah.
Nice. What is happening here?
This is many people when test over the project, they want to do some style, and my style will do working for them. For different style can be more beautiful.
And using your product, special product for.
Yeah, you can take a video for just like it's very different. Yeah, can
So it's
curl
make the
your
curls?
hair. Yeah, can curl your hair very quickly.
Can we
Yeah.
look at this? What is
Yeah.
here?
Yeah,
What do you have here?
yeah, like you can just like it's for the turn on, and can curl the hair. Can try
Pull
it.
it.
Yeah.
Curl it.
Yeah, curl it, and also we can change the different curl, just like this. It can dry the hair. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, it can.
Whoa, it's hot.
It's very strong.
Hot.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, it's really.
yeah,
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah. And we also have the different attachment, just like the fire white, smooth, brush, and stretch.
So, how is possible to buy the whole kit? Is one box with everything?
Yes, in the one box in it. Yeah.
How much is the whole box, the kit? Is there a price or not yet?
Price you can buy check it in the Amazon. We'll sell it. And
Okay.
this is the shower, and this is the cheap brush. This shower can to clean it in this station, and it's more easy. Let me show you. And
Clean?
Yeah, clean. That's the water, and then can clean it. It's quickly.
Wow.
Yeah.
I never see this before.
Yeah,
So,
it's
so that
a
means
innovate-
more people can use one, not only one, but many people can use the same.
Yeah.
It seems like it could be professional.
But maybe like I think like you, can you want to use it by yourself because it's more useful. Yeah.
Because maybe this is for professional hair stylist.
Stylist.
It could be for professional use,
Public.
home use, professional use, both okay.
它应该是个人
Yeah, it's for the
专业的沙龙。
Yeah.
它是 shower. This is shower.
shaver.
This is shower.
Shaver, yeah.
This is shower.
yeah.
No, that's for home. That's for home.
And here is a special
Tea
toothbrush.
This tea brush.
How good
Yeah.
is this compared to Philips?
Yeah, it can be kept a long time. It can keep 118 days. You needn't to for any electric. And
Nice.
also, it have a queen. You can say a queen can for a different model. You can change. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, and know the different area for your teeth can create.
it will
a
detect
value.
where you are.
Yes. Yeah, you can
Wow.
try. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So can I have clean teeth? This is the whole kit you showed before?
This is our the new product, AirStyle Pro hair. Yes. And
So it's different from the other one?
yeah, it's at the AI function. Can be know what's your face, what's your hair style, can be give you some suggestion and you
So you take a selfie with the app,
yeah, take the
and
app.
then it will tell you do this.
Yeah. It's very
And you just follow the guide.
Yeah, it's very simple. And can you do different style, just like the curl or the wave and any different.
It's work?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Let's
And
walk
this
around
is
here.
our the AirStyle Pro. It's just like dry your hair and stretch your hair. If when we turn on,
Dry and stretch.
Yeah. We turn on.
All right. Yeah. And
Yeah.
this is this different one?
Yeah, it's a different color. This is the purple. This is the pink. Yeah.
All right. Oh, I see this hot air coming
Yeah.
through.
Can you?
Yeah, I can feel it. Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's safe?
It's safe. Oh, sure.
Everything you have is safe, right?
Sure. It's the best function.
Can you sit here and explain what is this?
It's our new product.
Can you sit
Hello.
there?
Okay.
What is it for?
It's a hello. It's a hello. When you sit in your living room, you can take your phone, but dry your hair by its auto. You don't to take it. It's just by the.
But
yeah.
it's make hot air?
Yeah, it can keep dry. Let me.
Hot and cool?
Yeah, you can change the window.
You can change the temperature?
Yeah, yes, can change the temperature. Also can and the window.
You can also change how strong the air is?
Yeah,
Nice. This is a great way to dry your hair. Just sit down, relax,
yeah, we
and
can.
you got the halo.
You can say, I can dry my hair.
Nice. Oh,
Yeah. So I can do everything.
cool. And what is the pilot?
Yes, a pilot is have the AI smart function. Can be the more smart. It have the distance. Can be feel the head, the long or the near, and it can change the temperature and the window. Yeah.
So how does it use AI?
Yeah.
How?
Let me show you. When we turn on, 这个关字
Oh, need the power?
It's a no power. Let me change it. Can say it is AI, the VIP. Just you can for the app set your model and just
Oh, it's
for
hot.
like you, and you can change it just like your wife, and another for your children for the different temperature and the window. Yeah.
And it's gonna know how long it needs to use how much power to dry your hair as quickly as possible? Is that what the AI is for? Or I see here there's like an app
Yeah.
and it shows something about the drying time,
Yeah.
how quickly to get it finished and done.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big one. Is this
Yeah.
real?
It's a model. Can show.
Is it real?
It's a sample. Just for the generation 2, we can take you can for this structure. Can be more smart.
Oh, there's like a temperature sensor. Can you show it? Open it? How do you open this?
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
there it
It's
is.
by auto.
So what is it? Temperature sensing?
Temperature and for the white or dry can now be more smarter.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
cool. Okay, so that means we see everything here.
Yeah. It's our product. Yeah.
And would you say Dreame is the market leader for this stuff? Market leader, the number one in the market
Number
for
one.
the new innovation. There's a lot of competition, right? But you're making so much innovation, so much new
对
stuff,
啊，我刚刚听到就是那
and
个。
and this is cool. This there looks cool. But thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.